Another 3-point buck come back this morning. He's been out there feeding around. There's another little baby out here too, or a little doe. She's just now sticking her heads out the edge of the wood line. Right down over there. And that's a baby. And the buck, he's kind of moving on off. I think this is one of the single fawns. I don't see another one. And this one's spots are starting to get really light. I don't know, probably 2 or 3 more weeks and he won't have no spots at all. If y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, notification bell, leave me some comments. So when I post more of these, I'd appreciate it and would help the channel out.